These Subaru bulbs, these assemblies, so you're not just buying a bulb, you're buying an assembly with it. They're 10 years old, and it's always a good idea to replace them before they burn out. If you hit the 10-year mark, it's just like an anniversary. You want to think about that and keep that special. The parts have a type code 9006. So when you get a 9006 bulb, you're always getting a Subaru fog lamp. It could match up with another car, but that's what you're getting, a Subaru fog lamp. Now, these are 12.8 volt, 55 watt HB4s. Those last three letters might represent a different style of light. So you might have a white one versus yellow one that consumes more power, maybe burns a little bit brighter. So do be aware of the different codes on the packages, should the packages look the same. You want to keep both bulbs exactly alike. Something you need to know about fog lights on a Subaru. Now, my fog light switch is turned on, but my headlamps are turned off and the car is in park. Let's see what happens when I change that. So we're going to go from off to on. Now my parking brake is in the down position. On some cars that actually affects whether or not your other lights are turned on or not. So here we go. So I have my headlight, I have my daytime running lamp there running, and I have a yellow fog light. So I've got a little bit of yellow coming out of that master lamp, but I've really got a nice yellow or amber color coming out of that fog light. So that's really going to be great for me. The bulb housing, I say fixture sometimes, but the housing has 3 tabs on it. And what that is you'll be able to insert this housing into the reflector dish, I would call it. It's actually the housing of the bulb itself when it's attached. So you're going to stick this assembly into the housing for the bulb and turn it. So there's going to be 3 notched out areas that you may not be able to see because it's up inside. You're going to turn this so that it fits into that dish, and then you're going to turn it to lock it into place. So usually when you install the bulb, you're at about I don't know, not quite 180. You're talking like 4 o'clock or 5 o'clock. So you're down here around 4 o'clock. You're going to stick it in, and then you're going to rotate it until it's at 6 o'clock. And that's how you're going to install the bulb if you're installing it blind. I want to thank everyone for watching my video today.
Damn it. Darn it all. Wow. Oh my god. Damn it, damn it, damn it. Holy Moses, what is holding this thing in? Worst hot pin ever.
Ha ha ha.